Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about AIIMS Telangana. What was the cutoff in 2020? How many marks it was required to get admission in MBBS course in AIIMS Telangana, that is AIIMS Bibinagar, and in 2021 what should be the expected score and what would be the expected rank for different categories, general, OBC, SC, ST, PWDs, and how many marks you must have to score in 2021 so that you can get admission in AIIMS Bibinagar in AIIMS Telangana. We will discuss about details of these topics in this video particularly, and if you are visiting this channel first time, as well as if you have not subscribed this channel, still subscribe it if you like this video, as well as do share this content with your friends so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021.
So guys, here is the list of total last allotted candidate of All India ranking in AIIMS Telangana, that is in Bibinagar, right? So if you talk about the data that from where this data has been shortlisted, then friends, for your kind information, Metka being always use the authentic data that is received from All India Counselling Authority, that is from MCC, and for any state if you are talking, then we have already collected the data of different state counseling authority. AIIMS allotment was done by MCC only in 2020. In 2021 this will be also again done by MCC counseling, and in MCC website there are a result published for round 1 as well as for round 2, and mop-up round allotment was there. The list allotted rank wise and institute wise and category wise mentioned in MCC, it was of rank mentioned, and it was always declared by the MCC that whatever the result is there, the data has been taken from those round 1 as well as round 2 and mop-up round counseling. We have not calculated the stay vacancy round for AIIMS, as there are so many few seats were there, hardly 1 and 2 seats were there in different AIIMS. That's why we have not taken the data of stay vacancy round. But if you talk about the mop-up round, then this was the last allotment of any category wise students, and the rank as well as the category, this is mentioned here. The marks required in this rank, it was taken from the merit list of the students, and we are also discussing the NEET marks required in these ranks further in this video. Let's talk about the different category wise rank required in 2020. Then for SC it was 6,79,877. For OBC PWD it was 3,61,000. For EWS PWD it was 1,95,711. For SC it was 37,376. For ST it was 37,311. For OBC it was 7,579. For EWS it was 6,498, and for general it was 3,961. Okay, so this was the last allotted rank of AIIMS Telangana, that is in Bibinagar, right? And if you talk about the marks on these rank, then for SC PWD 147, for OBC PWD 314, for SC it was 568, for ST again 568, for OBC this was 633, for general it was 650, and for EWS category it was 637. So if you people are preparing for NEET 2021 and you want to go for MBBS in AIIMS Telangana, then you have to maintain these ranks as per your category, right? Talking about the marks, if you maintain these marks and if you score more than this or greater than this will be very beneficial for you. Definitely will be getting a seat in AIIMS Telangana, but you have to maintain these marks as well as you have to maintain this rank. The rank of two different students is never be same, but the marks of 100 students can be same in NEET 2021. Okay, so if you are preparing for 2021, you have to focus on these All India ranking, and on this rank the marks would be approximately these marks that is mentioned in the different category, right? In next video friends, we'll be discussing about AIIMS Bilaspur and AIIMS Jodhpur. Stay tuned with Medcovi.
कंटेंट अगर फ्रेंड्स आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा, अगर अभी तक आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या फिर आप पहली बार अगर विजिट कर रहे हैं मेडकवी के इस चैनल पर, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, सो दैट जो फ्यूचर की अपडेट है NEET 2021 की वो आपको नॉन स्टॉप मिलता रहे।